So that we come down, we take these lows out. So we're done with the first part and the second part. Now we're gonna wait for a strong displacement candle, right? So we want that 3 candle move, right? Every candle that is trading is closing below the previous candle's low. So you want to keep watching that until the next candle doesn't close below the previous candle's low, right? Again, closing below the previous candle's low, which looks like it could be here. We get a clear reversal, and the next candle is a reversal candle too. So you could be in here. This is our displacement candle. Let's put our stop here and our take profit right at 2R. So we'd want to see like any continuation, right? So we need to see here some closure above highs, which is what we get. So we close above these highs, right? So we get that displacement higher, which looks good. So here you're able to conserve yourself. You don't take profits just because something like this happened, but you can move your stop loss. And now you can have almost a $80 trade, which gives you so much more confidence in the future, to the point that I've put in for my take profit. So we're getting that continuation of closing above these candles highs, so you can take pretty much any trade that closes below these candles. I will have to get out, right? So I can move my stop loss from here. I get that ability to come into a little bit of profit, where that if I lose the trade, the most that I'm gonna lose is gaining $23, right? So I use what is it called? Traders Casa, I would say. Yeah, that's kind of what I like to see, and boom. What is it, 135? Damn, I've been streaming for a while now. So right now on this account we're up $500. So we have a good little start there. So if you're wondering why I took this trade, this is pretty much exactly what I was talking about. So we're on the 3-minute chart, which we're using 4-hour bias, but we traded below this pre-market low. The time that we're looking for, every candle in a continuation is going to close below the previous candle's low, right? That marks that continuation move. Every candle is closing below. And I said once that we saw this candle forming and we didn't get that immediate displacement, we were probably going to see the candle 2 formation, where we close back inside the previous candle's equilibrium, right? So the previous candle, you take the 0.5 level, that's the equilibrium, price closes back in. So right there you have your confirmation that price is at least going to reverse a little bit, because the trend has stopped. Price has stopped closing below the previous candle's low. So then we can expect something higher, and then candle 3 formation is really just that clear displacement in the opposing direction. So this candle obviously was that, because it was a 50-point candle move, which is, if you trade NQ, you would know that's a big amount of points. So from there I was in off that, and I was pretty much saying any down closed candles should be respected to the upside, and they were respected to the upside. Now we want to see if they're going to continue to go higher off of there. See if was my take profit good? Should I have taken a different take